Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. It's a bright and early morning this morning. Doing my routine, going to drop Tyler to school, and as you guys can see, I'm in workout attire, shawty, which means I'm going to work out this morning. I have started working out back again this week, so workout is on, but I'm working out outside. I live literally on a hill, and there's so many hills that can be utilized to work out on up here where I live. And I saw these hills and I'm like, girl, you can't have these hills just sitting around and not using them up. So I started running on this hill. Sprinting up them in the mornings after I drop Tyler to school. So I'll be doing that again this morning, and then come back home to do some abs and finish up working out here. But yeah, baby's off to work. It's Friday morning, and today I have a huge mission ahead of me to get done today. Today, this is going to start slowly go down. Why I say that, my cupboard is open. Why I say that is because our kitchen is ready, but first we have to take down this one. So my mission today is to take out everything in these cupboards so that babe can start taking down this cupboard, start taking down this kitchen tomorrow. Then all week next week is going to be something to do with this kitchen. So it's going to be a busy weekend and a busy week. So when this comes down, I'm gonna have to paint this kitchen and get the space ready for next week for them to put in the new kitchen. I am pretty excited about it. I'm pretty excited about the journey. So right now I'm gonna drop Tyler to school, go work out, and then get back, make breakfast, start with my day, and just jump in all this work that I have to do. But first, let the handsome one say good morning to you guys. Tan tan tan. Tan tan tan. Tan tan tan. Say morning, Faith. Hey, what you doing?
I'm playing with my toys.
You're playing with your toys?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
To school.
You're looking pretty.
Mama.
You're pretty?
Yes. With my pocket here.
You only have one pocket on your uniform. And it's the one that your hand is in right now. You want another pocket? Because you used the 2 pockets on your pants?
Yes.
That's okay. Your uniform only have 1 pocket. You only need 1.
I want 2 pockets.
You want 2 pockets?
Yes.
So guess what? When you come back home from school, we put on a pants with 2 pockets, okay? Okay? Ty, stop. Your uniform only have 1 pocket. Alright, let's go put on your jacket. Tell Faith, see you guys later. Turn around. Come, let's go put on your jacket. So are you? You're hilarious. Faith is right here. Alright, come, let's go put on your jacket. Anyway, you guys, it's time to go. It's also getting a little bit chilly in the morning though. It's a little cool in the morning, so Tyler wear his little jacket. What you want?
Gift.
You want a gift?
Yes.
To do what?
You gift.
Whose gift? You want to give me a gift?
Yes.
But Mama don't want any gift. Nice of you though.
Mama.
Yes?
What?
Come, hand in. Jacket, Tyler, you're gonna be late.
Mama.
Yes?
It's me.
into that zoo when you were a baby? Where's your bag? It's here. Come, tell Fizz bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys later.
See you later. Bye.
You guys, oh, that's when workout turned into a full-blown dance session. Listen, when you enjoy doing something and you just find the strength and feel like you can take over the world when you're doing it, just do it and you'll be happy. Just dance like no one is watching. Dance like nobody, like you care, like you don't care. And incorporate your workout in it. If you love dancing, just incorporate workout moves in it. Dance every day, and you're surprised to see when you dance the amount of calories that you burn each time is just amazing, and it makes you happy at the end of the session. So let the dance session continue. You guys, green juice ready. Green juice ready. Today's blend is cucumber, apple, and kiwi. So it's drink time. Okay, you guys, I am ready to get to work. I have my boxes right here. That's just some of the boxes. If in case I need more, I have more boxes. But it's time to take everything out of these cupboards. I mean everything. All of this, all of that, all of those. Well, this one is not a cupboard, so I can't move that one. And in here there's a few little stuff, and down here, which is the snack section, and down here we have pots and pans, and in here you have utensils just throw around. In here you have some plates, and down here is just some randoms. Anyway, it's time for me to pack up all these things. The thing is about this kitchen is that when I take out these things today and clean up there, baby's gonna take down this tomorrow, and then next week they're bringing all the appliances for the kitchen. So they're gonna bring the stove, the oven, the fridge, the microwave, and the dishwasher. So 5 appliances they taking in the week. So they're gonna just stay in the house randomly, and then another day the guy is going to come and bring all the pieces for the cupboards. My problem is I don't know where all those things are gonna go, because one day they're bringing all the appliances, another day they're bringing all the cupboards, and then another day a next person is gonna come to install the kitchen and put in all the appliances and all the cupboards and everything. I don't know how it's gonna go. So next week this house is gonna be chaotic until there's gonna be so much chaos in this little space until the kitchen is organized. And then the next thing is, when this cupboard come down tomorrow, then we're gonna have to figure out how to install it in our next space, because we're gonna use these closets. We're not gonna throw them away. We're gonna use these closets and install them around the back veranda. If you guys watch our house tour, then you'll know what the back veranda look like. We're gonna install them around the back veranda because this house doesn't come with a storage unit like the other apartment that we were renting came with. So we don't have anything to store things that we're not using. For example, Tyler baby clothes and all his baby things that he have. We don't have anywhere to store those, so right now those are in the middle room that is not occupied. So this closet, this cupboard is gonna install around the back room. That way we can have space for storage around there on that wall. So after they take down, these are just going to lie around the house until we figure out how and when we're gonna get these cupboards up around the back veranda. But house renovation is well on its way. Everything is coming together and everything will come together finally, but slowly but surely. We just have to deal with the little chaos right now. So let's start taking out these things from the cupboard. Step one right now. Oh my god, you guys, look what I found. Heaven. I'm gonna eat this right now. You see all these boxes behind me? Look, all these boxes behind me and boxes over there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes that I've already unpacked from this kitchen, and I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet because the pots are not out as yet. The plates are not out as yet. Oh my god, you guys, this is slowly driving me a bit crazy. Don't ever let this happen to you. Don't move into a house and then redo your kitchen. It's a bad idea. Bad idea, because right now, the more I think about it, the more I'm going crazy. Because I honestly just realized that I will be without a kitchen for 1 week. Did you just hear what I say? I'll be without a kitchen for 1 week, which means I won't be able to cook breakfast, I won't be able to cook lunch, and I won't be able to cook dinner. Is that even possible? I honestly just realized that we won't be without a kitchen. We won't be with a kitchen for 1 week. So what I might have to do is tonight I might have to cook a whole bunch of chicken that can go in the freezer and stay fresh, and maybe some rice so that Tyler can get some food, because we can't eat junk food every day for 5 days. That's just crazy. That's not possible. Well, it is possible if I go and find healthy things, but if I go and buy junk every day, that's kind of crazy and a lot to eat junk. I'm going crazy. You guys, don't let this happen to you. I literally feel like I'm going crazy. I need to take another break, okay? I just need to take another break before I finish up this kitchen. It's a long day around here, a long day. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think my job is done for today, just today. I think I've accomplished kind of what I want to accomplish today. Let me show you guys where I'm at right now. It's just temporary chaos in this house, and we're just gonna have to must up and deal with it for a week. It will be hard, but we'll get through it. So these are all the boxes that I got from the kitchen. There's more here. All alcohols and food and snack box and spices and seasonings. And over here are pots and pans and plates in this one. So in the kitchen, basically only thing that remain is these things in my drainer right now. I'm actually multitasking and cooking some gnocchi, which I'm gonna turn off right now. I have some stewed chicken in the fridge, leftovers from yesterday, so that's going to be for dinner. And I have to go pick up Tyler in about 30 minutes. I went and picked up my boo boo at school. Who is home? Who is home? Who is that?
Tyler.
Tyler, say hi, babes.
Happy.
What you eating?
This one and this one.
What is this one? What?
Chicken.
And this is what?
Quinoa.
No. It's gnocchi.
No.
As he come, he said, Mama, I'm hungry. Alright, enjoy your dinner. Say thank you, Mama.
Come, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. Do notification shout out. The notification shout out goes to
Notification shout out good.
Tiffany Bernard Wilson.
Tiffany Wilson.
Thanks for watching, Tiffany.
Thanks for watching, Tiffany.
Hi, Tiffany. Thanks for watching. We love you. You guys, we're just here chilling on this Friday night. Your girl was so... No! You want to talk to the faves? Come around this side. I was so tired after all that I did today. And babe got home and I decided that... Babe, why are you covering your face? No, you come around here and see babe hiding from face. Why?
Tired.
You're what? Retired?
Yeah.
Retired from what? From vlogging?
Everything.
Look at these two. Look at these two. Y'all see what I have to do?
And
Look
father
at
and
this.
son.
Look at these two.
You think I was funny? Tyler is more funny than I am.
You guys, so the kitchen renovation is officially wearing me out. I am just exhausted from it all, and it's just day one of it, and I have an entire week of it tomorrow.
That would be my
Oh
day.
my god. Tomorrow will be your day. I'm just gonna sit down and watch you take out that kitchen, okay?
Yeah, you gonna help me?
Who's gonna help you?
I'm
Me?
asking you.
No.
Will you help me?
No.
No.
No and no.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys.
Anyway, guys, tomorrow that will be my day alone, obviously.
After
Comment
supermarket
down below
and
if you
different-
want her to help me.
Comment down below if you think I should help him, you guys. Let's see how this one will go. Comment down below and say if I should help, babe.
Help, please. I need help.
You need help.
Help me, please.
Let Tyler help you. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog right here, and I'm not gonna give you guys any Jamaican expression for today. Honestly, I'm just tired, shoddy, and wanna go to bed. We love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Catch up and keep up with us. Subscribe if it's your first time to the channel. We love you guys. Tyler said we will see you guys tomorrow. Tyler said tomorrow. You're not telling face tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
These these carefree people in my house.